Raatje kif even. Ik zorg niet voor de weer op. I have a fun my life for YouTube.
Here we are, Esther.
Okay.
Took a little while.
Heb je ook foto erin?
Ibu mau putar.
Okay, good morning, or good afternoon. Last Sunday before we head out for our Easter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Happy Sunday again. It's the usual service, Sunday service. Yeah. All right. Catch you later. Hi, Jermaine. Sorry,
Seremnya.
Hello. Morning, girls. Happy Sunday. Hi, girls and boys.
Iya Pak, minta sok.
Check what's up. Check what's up. Wow, Jermaine, stand still. I want to see. Ooh. Wow, you always look good. You always look good. Okay, I'm gonna show off your outfit, okay? Just give me a second. Let me do a montage with you. Wow, you look good. You look good. Okay, thank you. See, you look better. You look good, and you look better than Mars. Mars wants to wear your clothes now, and you too. Hi, Ginny. Say hi. Okay. Aparo is church is finished. This coming Thursday, we're heading down to Portland. So, for Easter. That's Marson. Marson, hold on. Oh. Okay. All right, we'll be seeing you folks down in Portland. Oh, we're gonna go see people downstairs. I think the kids are having a early Easter. Are they done?
They're talking right now.
Oh, you cannot go in? Huh? When do I get the discount? Give me a hug. Happy Sunday.
Sunday.
Oh. They're praying. So I guess we have to wait. They are praying, so I guess we have to wait. They're praying, so I guess we have to wait. Anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out the merch. We have new merch dropping. So anyway, yes. Last Sunday before we head down to Portland for Easter. Hope everyone is safe. We're gonna enjoy. Get to see everyone down in Portland again. Once a year. All right. All right. Dapat magir. Anyway, just waiting on the kinder and the youth because they have some early celebration for Easter baskets. Okay, let me take a peek. Awesome.
So thank you guys. Don't forget to thank all the ladies for the baskets that you have, okay? Right? Should we pray first and then you guys get your baskets? Or? Yeah. So we're going to ask Auntie Janet to please close our gatherings. Did you guys hear it? Can you get your chairs ladies? Put away your chairs, please. Clean up. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, you guys get to be special with all the Easter baskets. Aren't you a little too old for this? Velma, aren't you a little too old for that basket? I think you are just a little too old. Yes. Unfortunately, I think just for the excitement of it, but I think you are just a little too old for the Easter baskets. But oh well, especially this one. Elston, I think you're too old for the baskets, but it's okay. If you have sugar in there, Daddy wants the sugar.
Happy Sunday.
You have mustache and beard, and you're getting baskets.
No. I'm just here for support.
You're here for support.
We have to thank all the moms, the ladies for giving you guys gifts for Easter. So I think you guys just gonna come and pick your own. One person at a time. Pick one and go. Thank you. Anyone, anything.
Oh wow. Nuna, you get to pick first. Chairman, where's yours? Oh wow. You got the good one? Huh? Okay.
And for boys. One.
get your basket, you may walk here.
Boys, just boys, boys, okay? And boys, 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 boys. Boys.
All right, now that they got their basket, everyone's ready up there. It's with mom. Why?
I'm going to work.
Huh? What do you mean? Huh? Graffiti. Huh? Mira, ese no Ricky. Ese no real. Ríos there, but if I carry a wallet, go get my wallet, please. Wallet. The wallet.
Are you recording?
Huh?
What wallet?
Ever Mars. Never watch now. Okay. Oh my. Look at this one. Where are you hiding that basket? That's not for Elston. That's for you. Look at you guys. These are baskets. Just get what you need and then give it to the little kids. The bucket. Hey, just get what you need and give the kids the basket, the bucket. Huh?
Austin, you brought your socks.
Wait, let me see the socks. Oh, look at this. That's cute. That looks like a cake.
Aw, you guys are more expensive.
All right, enough for now. I think we're gonna close the video for now. Why is it still open? Whoa, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing.
Huh? You really have a bucket?
Do it.
Huh? It's okay. Just be grateful. Huh?
Yeah, happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everyone.
Happy Sunday.
These guys have mustache, beard, and they're still playing with Easter baskets and buckets and whatever.
Mars forgot his bucket.
Is that for Mars? Okay. You guys turn out the thing. Close out the video for now.
Alright,
Yeah.
um,
everyone to subscribe, get the merch.
I will. Yeah, this is the end of the video. Happy Sunday to everyone watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload. Stay tuned for this weekend. We'll be heading down to Oregon. And yeah, we're gonna film Friday, Saturday, and Sunday service. So you guys stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Happy Sunday. Have a blessed day.
Alright. Okay. Alright, Dad, I'm pretty sure this is yours.
No. All right, guys, you heard the voice. That's it for now. We'll put you guys down. See you guys in Salem, Portland, or all of you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, and stay blessed. God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.